Welcome to a journey through regenerative agriculture for a sustainable future. A path that leads us towards harmony with nature, resilience in the face of challenges, and a legacy of healing for generations to come. The objective of regenerative agriculture is to restore and enhance the natural processes that occur within an ecosystem, rather than simply exploiting its resources for short-term gains. Regenerative agriculture usually differs with conventional agriculture, which heavily relies on chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides to maintain crop yields. While regenerative or conservational agriculture emphasizes natural methods of soil management like crop rotation, cover crops, and composting to improve soil health and fertility. Some key concepts and principles of regenerative agriculture are: understand context of farm operations, minimize soil disturbance, maximize crop diversity, mulching, focus on roots growth and integration of livestock. Excessive tillage disrupts soil health, harming beneficial microorganisms and eroding soil structure. The repercussions unfold: nutrient deficiency, reduced crop yields. Conservation tillage offers a solution. By disturbing the soil minimally and preserving at least 30% of crop residue, it fosters healthier soil and better water retention. During heavy rains, the residue acts as a shield, halting soil erosion. With time, the soil structure flourishes, accumulating organic matter and becoming more fertile. Organic matter flourishes, enhancing soil quality. Well-structured soil allows crop roots to access water and nutrients more efficiently. The foundation of regenerative agriculture is biodiversity. This strategy minimizes the need for synthetic inputs by encouraging diversified landscapes with a wide variety of plant species, insects, and wildlife. To protect the soil, regenerative farmers use cover crops and organic mulch. These procedures support a rich habitat for beneficial creatures, the reduction of erosion, and the preservation of moisture. Regenerative agriculture aims to reduce or do away with the usage of synthetic pesticides, fertilizers, and herbicides. Instead, it uses natural processes to improve the soil and control pests, minimizing the negative effects of chemical use on the ecosystem. Let's now explore the plethora of advantages that regenerative agriculture offers. Carbon sequestration is one of the most significant benefits. By absorbing and storing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, healthy soils serve as a carbon sink. Farms that use regenerative techniques are better suited for dealing with the unpredictable consequences of climate change. The effects of droughts and floods are reduced through improved soil structure and water retention. Erosion and water runoff are reduced when the soil is covered with crops or residue. So, by reducing sediment and nutrient runoff into water bodies, regenerative practices enhance water quality. By improving the structure, fertility, and water retention capabilities of the soil, regenerative practices restore its health. Enhanced nutrient cycling, increased root penetration, and erosion prevention are all benefits of improved soil structure. Nutrient management thrives. Composting rejuvenates the soil with organic matter, reducing reliance on synthetic fertilizers. Regenerative agriculture holds the promise of a greener, healthier world. With its principles, we can nurture the land, slow global warming, restore biodiversity, and uplift communities. Together, we have the power to shape a vibrant future through regenerative agriculture. By embracing natural processes and collaborating with ecosystems. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and for being part of a movement that seeks to heal, restore, and cultivate a greener world. Together, we can make a difference. For more updates, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.